Yeah, running. I ran a marathon. Last time I was a marathon back in tour stuff. Now, it was 2 weeks. About 3 weeks ago. 3 weeks, and I haven't done much. I did 11 miles yesterday, and my legs are complaining, but if I do an ice bath, and the traffic is shite. I can't remember the name of the hotel. And that's like that.
Marcliffe.
And that was not me tell you type things. It's hotel lead type things, wherever that is. Cliff, Radcliffe, Cliff. C-L-I-F. No, it's not working. Marcliffe. Do you know the Marcliffe Hotel? How far would you say that from here, with that traffic up there? Would you say half an hour?
After 6, the traffic will be gone.
So after 6, it just drops like a stone? So how long would you say then?
Half an hour.
Half an hour. So half an hour, 6:30. Maybe take some food. Is there any way that anyone, Nick, you around? Could they knock up some food to me that I can take away at the house? Take it back to the hotel. While I'm doing it, just knock it up now, and I'll grab it. Chicken, vegetables, and some crisp potatoes. So I need some carbohydrates. Avoid that. That would be fantastic. And I can food and then I can back. Nick, sorry, actually, no, fuck it, I'll get back here. That way I don't. Sorry? Yeah, do that. Do something like this, there's Mexican wraps and chicken wraps and some potatoes, some chicken wraps and potatoes. So I can put the thing and get some stuff inside there. That is a sensible thing to do, isn't it, Mike? Sensible thing to do. And so, that's what I'll do, but it was good to get back running. The early bit felt good. Okay, what was it, 18 roundabout, half an hour, about 15 miles. 15 miles, I start thinking, I wasn't thinking, what am I doing? Like, very good weather, not very good weather, but it's very good weather up to that point. So I like to see those vistas. It's interesting on traffic. A lot of the people who are running hate the traffic. And I can understand that. I quite like the traffic, but I think it's best when you've got traffic, otherwise running on the road doesn't work. And I do think I have a deal more road running to do. So it's going to be ending up not liking traffic, I want to be in Melbourne. But it's great.
Good afternoon. Mr. Cato.